Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to backtest on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to backtest on a TradingView app, first open up a TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the watch list interface on TradingView app. Now in order to backtest, first tap on the chart button over here just beside the watch list button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now in order to proceed to backtest, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. When I tap on it, where it says the analysis up, tap on the three dotted icon at the bottom right corner where I'm tapping. You can see you can swipe this also. Tap on it and you'll land over here where you can see the bar replay option available for us. Tap on the bar replay and let's tap on the start new. For you it will be new, but I'll be tapping on the start new. Now what this does is, guys, you'll be able to cancel out some of the candles from where you want to backtest. For example, if I wanted to backtest from this particular candle or this area, I can move the cursor over here like this and tap on it, and those areas or those candles will be deleted. And you can see at the bottom of the screen there is the play button available for us. By tapping on that, the candle will start to appear where you can test or backtest your theories on TradingView app. And you can determine the speed of the candles and also the time frame from over here. With that being done, guys, you can also replay or re-choose your bar over here. Tap on it again and those candles will be cut down or cut it out from over here. It may take some time depending upon the internet. And with that being done, guys, let's tap on play again and it start to plays. And if you want to close down your, you can see the candles over here are playing. They are appearing slowly because the speed is 0.5 times. And you can see, in order to close down your replay, you can see the cross button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that cross button and you will be able to go out from your backtesting mode. With that being said, guys, this is how to backtest on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.